Now we will perform the integration of secx. In order to perform the integration of secx, we will multiply the equation of integration secx dx by secx plus 10x in both numerator and denominator, and we will set u equal to secx plus 10x. We can calculate du by dx as secx into 10x plus sec square x. By taking secx common, it will become du is equal to secx into 10x plus sec x into dx, and we can replace this secx plus 10x as u and secx into secx plus 10x as du. Then the integration will become du by u, and this integration of 1 by u with respect to du can be calculated as ln u. This u can be replaced by secx 10x, then this result of the integration of secx will become ln secx plus 10x plus the integration constant c. Now this secx plus 10x can be oversimplified. Let's see that process. Now this secx can be written as 1 by cos x and 10x can be written as sin x by cos x. Now we'll simplify this to 1 plus sin x by cos x. Now this 1 can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, and this sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 and cos x by 2 according to the formula of trigonometry. Again, this cos x can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Now by applying trigonometric formula, we can write the numerator as cos x by 2 and plus sin x by 2 whole square, and the denominator as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. This can be simplified as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. We will divide all the terms of numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, then it will become 1 plus 10x by 2 divided by 1 minus 10x by 2. This one can be replaced by 10 pi by 4. Now this 10 pi by 4 plus 10x by 2 divided by 1 minus 10 pi by 4 into 10x by 2 is the formula of 10 pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this sec x plus 10x can be written as 10 pi by 4 plus x by 2, and the result of integration of sec x will be ln 10 pi by 4 plus x by 2 plus the integration constant c.